Positive too.
Right.
We have safety concerns, however. They're growing after 2 people were hit by lightning last night in Rapid City, South Dakota. One was taken to the hospital. The other refused medical treatment. More storms are on the way. There are hundreds of thousands of motorcyclists, though, in the area for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. Many of them camp outside, so first responders are asking people to seek shelter indoors if they do hear thunder. So let's have a look of those of you who might be hitting the big slab, as motorcyclists call it here, throughout the northern tier of the U.S. or anywhere across the country. You could run into some of those storms. You might have to pull over, put on the gear, or what do you guys do when you run into a big thunderstorm and you're on a motorcycle? Do you just, take a break and go inside like a gas station or something and hang out until the storm passes? Yeah, and under an overpass, I suppose, but that can still be dangerous with a big lightning storm, too. This right here, this is the ride captain, if you will, our next storm system that's going to be coming on through. This will be the leader of the pack, vroom, vroom. Do you know that song? It's an old song from, the 60s, leader of the pack, and they do the motorcycle. Hopefully you were picking up on what I was putting down there, because it was a little bit of a mishmash going on there. Low-level moisture is coming up. We do have those surface fronts, too, and we have this low-level jet. That's going to help with some of the severe weather here. Now, I think that this is not going to be a huge deal, relatively speaking, hail-damaging winds, but we still could get a few storms that could spin up here throughout North Dakota, showers making their way into Minnesota as well. Jen.
All right, well, let's go south. We also have some thunderstorms in the forecast, as you know, right along the Gulf Coast, but other spots are going to see a better chance of rain today. Let's start in Raleigh. You can see the campus of